So we have a posi drive, a 3 and a 6 Allen key for this assembly. First we'll start off by taking this back plate off. Then we'll get the contents of the bag. We use these wood screws, putting in these 2 holes here. Tighten them up until firm, not over tighten. Next we'll grab the Procrimp head. First we'll sit it in there, get the first hole lined up, grab one of our bolts, sit it in there, grab a 6mm Allen key, ensuring the head is sitting square in that recess there, and this first screw should just glide in there. Once that's got about 4 rotations on it, like so, making sure it's sitting square in that recess, we'll pull this head over so that that second hole will line up. Once it's lined up and you can see it's in line, we'll grab a second screw, and same again, it should just loosely go in there. Ensuring it's all sitting there square, we'll now tighten. So do it one side until it just goes firm, then the second side. Now this is when we just tighten it up until the titanium bolts stop. You'll see once it's finished tightening up, this gap will close, so we've got a little bit more to go. Cool, that's what we're after. Next we'll grab a button that covers the gear, place that on there, that just firmly press down. Then we'll grab a cover plate, lining up the 2 holes, grabbing our infill bolts, and same again, these should just loosely go in there. Once it's just tighten. Then we'll just lastly grab a cover plate. This will stop dirt getting in there. And that is completed.